Before embroidering, it is important to first select the preset hoop on your control panel to match the hoop you are embroidering with. You may select the preset hoop that corresponds with the hoop you're using under the Preset Hoops key on the main menu. To do so, follow these simple steps. First, select the Preset Hoops key on the main menu and a list of all the preset hoops on your machine will appear. Hoops A through E are your standard hoops, meanwhile hoop G will be used for embroidery on your sash frame. The cap option will be used for cap embroidery and the other options will be used for specialty hoops that are not programmed on your machine. Then, select the hoop that corresponds with the hoop you're embroidering with. Once you've selected your hoop, press the green checkmark key to confirm your hoop selection. Your machine will now position itself to match the preset hoop you've selected. Keep in mind, it is necessary to select a preset hoop. If a hoop is not selected, your machine will continue to use the currently selected hoop and you will not see your design relative to the hoop, which may cause you to hit a hoop during embroidery.